and welcome to a new tutorial on our Newlandiacosplay page. Today I'm going to be filming elf princess look. It was a look I was going to wear for one of the Castlefest days, but unfortunately because of Corona, Castlefest is not happening this year, but I still wanted to show you guys my look. I'm going to be going through it a little bit quicker, so we're going to skip the priming and foundation part. So in the next shot you will see me with foundation, everything on. If you want to see how I do that, you can check out one of my other videos because it's basically the same thing every time. So thank you and let's get started. So I already put on my primer and a little bit of foundation, and I also already did one brow. So let's get started with this look further. I'm going to do the other brow. I've used two products and I'm beginning with Golden Rose Longstay Precious Brow Liner in color number 105. And then I'm going over that with a brow powder, which is the Golden Rose Eyebrow Powder number 104. And I'm using a small angled brush to apply. And now with my Urban Decay concealer, I'm going to carve them out. And also use it as an eyeshadow base as usual. And this is in the color Fair. And then set it with translucent powder, also from Golden Rose. So, my brows. I'm going to be wearing a pink wig later and like a minty colored crown. So I want to see those colors in my eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with my sleek palette to make a base with the light pink. And then a darker pink. Darker, brighter pinks. Then I do want a little bit of darkness in there. So I'm going in with my Urban Decay Distortion palettes with the color Blackout. Not too much. Oh, throwing everything to the floor for my outer corner. You can see I'm using a smaller brush for this to pack it on first, and then later I will be blending it. It's a really hot day. I'm sweating. And then these hot lights. Immediately putting a little bit of black at my bottom lash line. I'm going to work that out later after I've done my whole face, but since I have the black, let's work with it further. When you've blended that out like very well, we're going to cut the crease a little bit. with concealer. And on top of that, I'm going to put a minty green, aqua minty color, something like that. Let's get a new brush. I'm starting with this light blue aqua color from my Sleek palette, the Mattifying Ultra Mattes. And then back to the Distortion palette from Urban Decay, Shifty. I guess I'm just going to use my finger. A little bit of that bleach in the corner. And then I have to connect them, put in a little bit more black. And a little bit of a dark green as a transition between the minty and the black. And then with Blur, light pink shade, shimmery shade, I'm going beneath my brow bone. Clean brush. Do not know if I'm pleased with it yet. I think so. Then with my waterproof eyeliner, I'm going to draw a black line. If it works and doesn't break on me. I'm also doing my top waterline. And then with a small angled brush, I'm smoking it out a bit. Now a little bit of mascara before I put on my false lashes. Of course, these are the false lashes mascara from Golden Rose. I'm going to be putting on my false lashes off camera. It's a little bit quick and this video doesn't end up being like an hour. So I'll see you guys right back when I have my lashes on. Okay, so my lashes are on and as you can see I already put my concealer on. But I want to say one thing about lashes. I already have a hate-love relationship with them, but there is something that's going too cheap. I use a lot of false lashes, so my normal ones from Golden Rose, I tend to use them a lot. So I thought I'd try something cheaper. No, oh my god, next time Golden Rose again. Horrible. So, concealer. I've put on shade number 5 liquid concealer from Golden Rose. And of course I'm going to blend that. And I put one shade darker on my little friend here, because I want to hide it. When you have like spots you want to cover, you have to use a different concealer than the one you're using underneath your eyes. And going in with a little bit of extra. I already put green primer on, but it's so hot. All the red is coming through. I'm going to set my concealer first with my translucent powder from Golden Rose in the shade Banana. And my oily spots, sweaty spots. And now for my entire face, I'm going to use the mineral powder from Golden Rose in shade number 1. And I absolutely love mineral powder, as people who've seen previous videos of me already know. So first the under eye area again. And I do this like with my brows, because I don't want to go over my brows with the big brush. Why do I keep doing this? There's no mirror in there! So, freshly powdered face. And now a little bit of contouring, which I'm going to be using this little palette. My mirror is my contour palette from Sleek. Face contour kit, pressed powder and highlighter in one, number 884. Contour brush. To make my puffy face a bit smaller. Because I don't really think elves have puffy face. I don't know. Are all elves skinny? That's fat shaming if all elves are skinny. What do you want a skinnier face? And I have seemed to forgot my nose contour brush, but you can also do that with an eyeshadow brush. Just make sure it's clean, somewhat. And then for blush, I'm going to be using Terracotta Stardust, which already has like a very nice shimmer. Because I think elves can be like super shimmery. And then blend it together. And then highlighter, I'm going to use the one from the Sleek contour palette. A little bit. This one is so shiny, extra for the eyes. Ooh. I like that a lot. Blend it, blend it, blend it. And then for my lips, I'm going with like a berry color. This is Crayon Matte Lipstick number 11 from Golden Rose. Now I've still got a little bit of concealer on my brush. Clean the edge. And then I'm going back into my eyes for my waterline. I already did a little bit of black there, but I also want to bring back the pink underneath. Maybe a little bit of that blue. And then some mascara to my bottom lashes. And again, this is the false lash mascara from Golden Rose. And then from Essence, my white kohl pencil for my bottom waterline. And then, of course, last but not least, spray it with the fixing spray from Golden Rose. Refreshing. And dry it. And I will see you guys back with my wig and dress on. Bye bye! Well, here I am in my elf princess look. Don't have a name for this character. Think of a fun name for her, mention it for me. So I put on my wig, my very pretty pink wig. It's from Wig is Fashion, and my amazing accessories are from Muse Sweet. I hope I pronounced it well. And I will be collaborating with that company for my own company, because I am a hair and makeup artist, I'm a bridal stylist, and I will be selling these items in Holland. So I'm wearing a pretty fairy crown, which is also available in other colors. I'm wearing an ear cuff, and I'm so happy with these products. Oh my god, these accessories are so pretty. Yeah, so this was how I was going to go to Castlefest. But now, I'm going to sit in my backyard, drinking mead, I guess. Thank you all for watching. As usual, you can subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and you can also find us on our different social medias. See you again. Bye bye.